It is now 1:51 p.m. I'm just leaving my work, picking up my paycheck. This is what it looks like right now. It's getting there. Looks like we have an accident. Snow is hitting my face. Get a better view over here. I don't know what happened. Looks like maybe a car slid into another car or something. Oh no. Dude, this is some snow. Some crazy ass snow up in here. Gotta get the shovel ready. What's up? Man. Crazy ass shit going on up in here.
Crazy out there, right? We just shoveled that freaking walkway last week.
I just literally shoveled for an hour and a half. It took me from 5 a.m. to 6:24, and I'm still not done. This is what I've done so far. Obviously the walkway. Car was covered just like my Jetta. Pontiac. It's kind of iffy right now. Shoveled all this. And the plow keeps coming by and pushing all the snow into our driveways. So I took the snow out and put it back on the street. I hope I don't get in trouble for that. Yeah, this is what I did so far. An hour and a half's work from that pathway over to here to right here. Some thick snow, guys. Yeah, that's it for now. not my Jetta. Yeah, so we got our car out finally. That was wicked tough because it kept getting stuck right there with ice, and if you keep paneling out and trying to get your car out, it creates ice. So we got the car back, pushed all this out, and hopefully Sean over there will help us out with a snowblower. And look at this, we still got to get my dad's truck out. We were, I think, 8 inches away from beating the blizzard of 78. Blizzard of 78, I think, was 28 inches. We were at 21. Dogs in the snow. Mia! You having fun? You having fun, Mia? Huh? Whee! You having fun? Call her, Raymond.
Big one.
Oh my gosh, this is deep. Ah, why are you bringing her over there? I can't get over there. Careful of the horseshoe pit things, dude. Mia, come here! Come here! Come here!
Hold on.
She's getting exhausted. Look at her.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, Mia! Look at her cheeks, they're frosty. That's ill that you can snapshot like that. Mia, come here! Get over here!
Take a breather, Mia. Take a breather. Mia, stay. Mia.
Come to the camera. Come to the camera, Mia. Come on. Over here. Mia, over here. Come here, Mia. Mia. Mia, come here. Look it. Oh! You're not cold, Mia? Huh? Damn, I would be freezing if I was her. Come here. Come here. Her face. Ow, you don't bite me. Call her over to you, because I want her to run at me. I want.
Mia. Come here. Come here. Look at Brady. Come here. Come here. Mia, come here. Come here. Mia. Mia.
Mia! Mia! What? Ah! You pushed me in the snow! Dude. He's like, come here. I want you to hold this so I can play with it.
Yeah.
Mia, go get Raymond. Go get Raymond. he's chasing me! Don't bite! Ah! You have to move around, move quick, like this. Oh, my feet, oh, my feet. They're so freezing. Ah, I got ice cubes on my toes. What the? What's this little guy doing? Huh? What are you doing? I think it's time for them to come in. Ah! It's now 1 p.m. The storm is finally over. Ah. Oh boy, it's wicked bright out. Turned out okay in the end. We ended up shoveling it all out. Got this stuff snowblowed. But it's pretty much it, I guess. There still is a road ban out right now until the governor says that we are allowed to go out in our cars, but the snow is really not that, well, actually it is snowball proof, I guess. Yeah, that's it, I guess. That was Hurricane Nemo in Brockton, Massachusetts, and ending the video now.